13 more Olympic and Paralympic medals were added to Jamaica's vault following this year's Games, and a grateful nation will show its appreciation over 2 days this Heroes Weekend.
On Monday, October 15th, commencing at 4 p.m., while we join the Ministry of Youth and Culture in ensuring that we pay tribute to our heroes, we have taken the initiative to unveil a new headstone for the most honorable, I think, in terms of sports, Herb McKinley.
That's in addition to 3 other celebratory events. On October 14, a Thanksgiving service at the East Queen Street Baptist Church at 10 a.m. and a private reception on the North Lawns of Jamaica House at 6 p.m. And on the 15th at 7 p.m., a musical celebration in tribute to our athletes at the National Arena. Screens will be set up in parish capitals to allow all Jamaicans to get in on the action.
And I invite you to join us in person where you can. Join us in your living rooms where you can. Turn on your screens. Be a part of a group. Sit down and enjoy and watch these athletes as we treat them in fine style, because they have inspired us to move forward.
At the National Arena on Monday, the athletes and team officials will also receive tangible rewards for their efforts.
Those who won a gold medal at either game would be awarded $1 million Jamaican. If you were a silver medalist, you would get $750,000 Jamaican. If you were a bronze medalist, the award at that time was $500,000.
Those who made the finals in their events will be awarded $350,000, while other team members will receive $250,000. Members of relay teams will share cash prizes based on their medals, and team officials will receive $100,000 each.
It is my opinion that where there is excellence, we must respond to appreciate excellence. And that at this time, this celebration is in honor of a group of persons who have represented their country, their communities in an excellent way.
It was the country's best ever showing at the Olympic Games, amassing a total of 5 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals. For their part, the athletes are proud to have brought the country joy.
The Paralympic Association as a whole is very grateful for the recognition. We're glad to be a part of this celebration and also to contribute to our country. The board would have said to the world.
It's really a good feeling when you compete at a high level and you get recognition. All the athletes are grateful for that. I hope that the sponsors will continue to support us, be by our side, so that our journey to greater performances can come in the future.
So what's your favorite Olympic memory? This weekend, you will have a chance to relive it and celebrate with those who made it possible.